jointer. There's an adjustable 90-degree fence on the side here for all varying angles. We're going to use 90 degrees today, indicated on a little gauge there. Very easy to set up. Similarly on the other side we have a little gauge here for setting the depth to the centre. And we're going to do 40mm worktops, so we're going to adjust this to approximately 20mm and tighten it up. And then we're ready to go. The machine is fully adjustable. Today we're using a size 20 Biscuit, and on the back of the machine here it's set for 0s, 10s or 20s. So as you can see, it's set to the appropriate line, the appropriate size of biscuit. So going to our workpiece, we're going to do a representation of joining oak worktops. I will mark where I want the centre line of my biscuits on each piece, like so. All I then need to do, comes with a dust extraction spout or a bag that comes in the box. To cut the joint, it's very easy. All we're going to do is we're going to line up the centre line of the cutter with the mark that's on the timber. We're simply aligning up the cut and making. The reason we use biscuits in a situation like this is we can set the machine and we work off the same surface. So if you had a slight discrepancy with the two pieces of timber in the way of thickness, because the biscuits are set from an identical distance from the top surface, halfway down, the two surfaces would actually line up. The other being that it gives us a nice strong joint, so that it stops any movement, any form of lateral movement within the two timbers, which is ideal when doing worktops. In conjunction with these biscuits, in this jointing method, we would also use the traditional metal worktop bolt to make it strong and secure. On the end of this machine, on here, we have these spikes which are set out, and what this does is this stops any side to side movement, it stops it slipping. However, there are times when you might want to do a continuous chase. If you're doing that, you literally put them in and twist them in.
Performance without the cord. The 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion cordless plate joiner delivers accuracy, portability, versatility, and runtime. Model LXJ P02 has non-marring rubber inserts engineered to prevent material from slipping. At 6,500 RPM, it's more than you need for clean, precise cutting. The rack and pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate adjustments with 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. And it also has a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easy blade changes. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.